arrays consisting of n elements and an integer k. Is given what's an array of n elements and integer k. Find a contiguous subarray. Contiguous subarray means continuous subarray whose length is equal to k, that has the maximum average value and return this value. What is it? Find the contiguous subarray whose length is equals to k, that has the maximum average value, and return that value. Any answer with calculation error less than 10 power minus 5 will be accepted. Any answer with error less than 10 power minus 5 will be accepted. Okay. So forget about the error. Did you understand, sir, what is the difference between earlier problem, what we solved, and now? Answer now. What is the difference between the earlier problem what I discussed and the present problem? It is same as that. Instead of returning what's the mean, the maximum sum of subarray of length k, you have to return maximum average of subarray of length k. So what is the average formula? Sum of the elements divided by length of the elements. So it's very clear. You are only taking every time what's the length is same. Okay, how many subarrays you get? All of them you have to find average values and become maximum. Sir, can I say, sir, you will get maximum average provided you will get maximum sum? Because length is always same, not 3. Are you getting my point? Sir, please everyone listen here. What is this problem, sir? This problem is exactly same as our earlier problem, which is based on sliding window pattern. But instead of asking maximum sum of subarray, he is asking what's a maximum average of subarray of length k. Before we have found subarray of sum k, okay? But now we are finding what's the mean? Everyone sum. Average of subarray of length k. Instead of finding sum, we have to find average. What is average? Sum divided by length. Average is nothing but sum divided by length. So it's very clear, sir. It's very clear. You have to find maximum sum. Wherever you get maximum sum, you evaluate. And every subarray is having the same length 3. So it's not mandatory that for every subarray you will be finding the tell average. It's not required. Because for all the subarrays length is 3 only. So if you just find sum, it is enough. Finally, you return what's the when you are returning, whenever you extract the maximum sum, wherever you got maximum sum, that will only give you maximum average. Why? Because every subarray has length 3 only, length k only. So first subarray average is how much? It's sum by k. Second subarray average is how much? It's sum by k. So whichever is maximum there, whichever is maximum sum, that will be the maximum average, because denominator is same in all the cases. Whenever you take any number of arrays, if you deviate, sir, I will stop discussing. I am discussing now lead code problem, everyone. This is exactly same as our previous problem. I need not explain, you can do it. But still I am explaining because to make you to understand. Listen everyone. Okay? So that means, you can do one thing. One thing is, you can find the maximum average at every step. You can update it by comparing the previous average with current average. Instead, sir, you only follow our previous procedure. What is our previous procedure? Finding the maximum sum of subarray. Only get the maximum sum. When you are returning, do not return just sum. Return its average. What is average? Sum divided by number of elements. So for every subarray you have same length, same k. So then when you get maximum average, you get maximum average if the sum is maximum. Simple. Because everything has the length of k only. So it's same as the previous problem. one statement change. What is that last statement? What is that, sir? Instead of returning maximum, return maximum divided by key. That's all. That's all. Shall I copy? Shall I copy? Yes, sir. No answer. Shall I copy directly? Yes. So let us now open this. Yes, sir. I'm just copying.
Today la quota रिपोर्ट लिहिला की आणि तिच्या लॅपटॉपमध्ये मेरे लैप में होगा कौन सा दिख रहा है नहीं वही डालने बोला इसने जाने दो नेक्स्ट से चालू है स्क्रीन मोड डाला
I just copied, sir. Whenever I copied, it is also copying with, tell me everyone. This element here, so we will just remove this all dashes. Once I remove this all towards the dots, then I will adjust it. So the same program I copied, nothing new. What we executed, what's sir? Today morning, the same thing I copied. Okay. Now let us adjust it as per our what's the indentation. Sir, our function is starting here. Def. So it must go our current side. Everything inside the function now. Just move here inside. Yes. Everything should be in the same line. They should be inside the puzzle. Okay. And here also inside the puzzle. This one also.
दोन तीन किंवा तीन.
Okay, na? It's inside the puzzle. And the last statement written is at the level of function. But after the for loop, whatever for is starting, the same line it will be there. Yes. Yes.
-10.
And driving code is not required. Just remove the driving code parts.
इसका उल्टा है. हाँ 9 प्लस माइनस का पता नहीं पर 9 10 है. अबे 9 10 कितना होता है बहुत बड़ा होता है.
That's all. So instead what we have written then, instead of writing maximum sum, written maximum divided by key. Written maximum divided by key because we have to find the average. So average is definitely wherever you get maximum sum, that divided by 3 you will be getting maximum average. Maximum average. So just write what's the maximum sum divided by 3. Look at the code everyone. So I'll just move this side. This is our code. I hope you understand. If you want to just move left side also, you can also not a problem. Right? Anyway, I'll wait towards I kept it. If we get error, we'll move it. Okay? I think we may get error. We must start from somewhere here, I think. Okay, let's see now. Shall I run it, sir?
Yes.
Shall I run it? Yes.
मुझे क्या पता है.
Taking a lot of time. None is not value for the expected return time double. Expected return time. What is that? It's a key. We got none. Why? 5.00. Yes. Okay, shall we do one thing, sir, otherwise? Shall we verify the same thing with respect to these test cases first, okay, and then we will do this, sir. Anything is okay? Come back to this program, everyone. Here, what I am doing, just write the same program, just write divided by k. Okay, na? I am keeping divided by k. Am I visible to everyone?
Yes.
Visible, sir? Clear now? Okay. So now, sir, tell me the first test case what is given. We take the same and see what is the output you are getting. Tell me the first test case given.
पहला का
Sir, give me test case what we are getting it.
112 112 minus 5 minus 6
minus 5
minus 6
minus 6
53 50
50
3
That's all?
yes sir
K length is
4
4. Okay, sir, I'm running now. Let's see what
वही
the answer
करना
you
है
get.
सिर्फ डिवाइड बाय 4 करना है एवरेज निकालना है एवरेज निकालना है
12.75.
हमने क्या निकाला था सब निकाला है
12.75.
यस यस
Okay, we got correct. Then let us take the second test case.
वो बता
Let us take the second
ब्रेक
test
से पहले
case.
जो बताया था ना वही है सिर्फ आगे सिर्फ
Given the
डिवाइड
second
के
test
किया है उसने नेक्स्ट क्या है इधर नम
Given
इज
the second test,
5
5.
k equal to 1
Huh?
5 only
Only one element. Okay, that's all. K equals to 1, huh?
yes
The answer will be 5. Huh? Yes, let's see now. Yes, 5.0. Got it correct.
Yes.
The two test cases have been passed. We have third test case anything?
अभी
Verify the third test case. Now it's passed. Why are you getting problem there? It's working correct, sir. In after online compiler, I don't know why are you getting error here. I'll just move inside.
क्या अभी उसने पहले क्या किया था सम निकाला था ना सबका अभी एवरेज निकालने का है तो उसको तू डिवाइड ऐसे ही करेगा ना वही तो कोड है पूरा वही कोड है सम वाला ही है अरे पहले अच्छा ये कोड तुझे पूरा ही नहीं समझा मैं नहीं जानता ना अच्छा कुछ दिखाएगा तो बताएगा
Okay, done. Now let us see.
अरे बाप रे ये कहाँ गया था तू बिहार में दे रहा है और आगे
None is not valid for the expected return time double. There is type error.
बात करता हूँ
It's not value for the expected return time double.
से बात करता हूँ
So there is an exception coming, I don't know why. It has passed all our test cases, now when we run it. Serialized load or proteins, I don't know. Okay. We'll test it, sir, otherwise once. We should get 4 equals 4.
बस ना करूँ विदिश टाइप है
None is not valid value for the expected return time doublet. Which one is nothing here? Where is nothing got nothing?
वन टू टाइप ऑलरेडी फंक्शन में फंक्शन का सब
Which test case also is not giving? Okay, K into float R.
डायरेक्ट करंटपासून नाही चालू आहे ना, डायरेक्ट करंटपासून चालू आहे.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
कारण की ऑलरेडी इकडे केलं आहे ना नम आणि ते नम आणि ते ऑलरेडी.
So max sum now it is.
Sir, we have already defined the function over up. Why are you again defining it?
Oh yeah, function, sir. Sorry. I should copy only the code. Yes, sir. I'm looking where is the runtime at all? Network error. Yes. I just copied it that much. Because I'm only analyzing error. Where is runtime? We didn't use runtime. Why did I get to it? Yes, sir. You don't copy function, it's already there. What is this network error?
He has given out.
No, netcode will get it, it's correct only. We copied 2 functions.
हो जाएगा.
Huh? It's not working.
Maintenance हो गया ना.
What?
Okay, right. Maintenance error, huh? Okay. Then no problem, sir. You preserve this code and keep the problem number 60. Sir, how much?
643.
What? Yeah, 643. Everyone, preserve this code. This is the answer for 643. We got it. We verified. This will be submitted, sir. Okay? Right. Everyone save this code. Same as the previous problem. What is the difference? Where you are finding sum, you are finding average. So divided by k. That's all. Because average is what, sir? Sum of the elements by length. So for every summary, length is same. Wherever you get maximum sum, there you get maximum average. So that's why I'm identifying maximum sum same as before, but returning its average instead of max sum. So that's why we're returning max sum divided by k. Wow. Everyone, I hope you understand. Everyone would have saved this because we actually are trying to submit some. There is a problem on the side maintenance. So we'll keep it work, sir. As it is. Go to the next problem. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes.
Yes. Let's move on. I have shown you it's working with 2 test cases.
The current sum आपलं जे असतं ते sum of num of
X
k ना k.
X colon k.
कोलन आहे ना.
बॉक्स ब्रॅकेट टाक ना.
आणि मग नमला कुठलं ब्रॅकेट?
Lead code problem number 1343. Lead code problem number 1343. Lead code problem number 1343, sir. We'll do that and we'll
समला
also
राऊंड ब्रॅकेट टाक.
run it. And if site is working, we'll submit, otherwise we'll save it.
समला राऊंड ब्रॅकेट नमला बॉक्स ब्रॅकेट. अरे खाली काय घेतलंय? टाक राऊंड ब्रॅकेट टाक. अरे बाहेर कसं घेतलं?
Maximum average summary 1.
बॉक्सच्या आतमध्येच पाहिजे की.
No, 1340.
ते मी केलं ना.
अरे बॉक्स ब्रॅकेट खोल
Vendor is not even giving now.
खोल.
Shall I read out the problem? Shall I read it, sir?
एक कट कर.
I'll read it. You just see where is the change. We'll do that. Sir, we are actually with the utmost interest. We want to solve problems. But it's not supporting side tasks.
कैसे कॉन्सेप्ट क्या कैसे कॉन्सेप्ट मैक्सिमम
ये नाम दिया.
ये दे इधर एक्सप्लेन हुआ है.
हमने भी एक रेंज चलाएंगे तो उसमें पहले नंबर बाकी आगे आगे नंबर के लिए किसी का उसके लिए और लुक चलाएंगे.
आज के लिए बस मेंटेनेंस पे रह गया साइड.
Yes, sir. I'll read out the problem. Everyone just listen. We will solve it. Just listen.
मध्ये कसं होतं
Count
K
the number of summaries of size K.
अच्छा हाँ स्टार्ट
Count the number of summaries of size K. And average is greater than or equals to threshold. What is the question?
तर परत
Count number of summaries
current sum
size
is
k
equal to
and average value
current
is greater than or equals to
sum
threshold.
plus x
That
and
means in our
minus
previous problem what we did, sir?
x I
643.
minus 2.
We have found using sliding window pattern what is
X
the
of
maximum? What is the maximum average of
Minus
summary of
x
length
of
k?
I minus
Now
2.
what is asking? He is not asking that maximum average. What is asking, sir? Return the number of summaries of size k, whose average is greater than or equals to threshold. Whose average is greater than or equals to threshold. That means the same thing.
X minus
That means the
I.
same thing.
Sum plus x of
But you have
minus
given a condition. What is the condition here,
तो
sir?
आपला पहिला वाला
Instead of
नंबर
returning your maximum sum or maximum average,
हा दुसरा
you
नंबर
find
आणि
the
हा एकदम
average of
पहिला वाला
every what's a window of size k or every subarray of size
मायनस
k.
एक्स ऑफ
You
I
check whether it is
मायनस
greater than the threshold or not. If it is greater than threshold, start initial count is equal to 0. If it is greater than threshold, increase count by 1. Otherwise, leave it. Are you getting? Are you getting my point, sir? Come on. Okay. Shall I explain on the board otherwise?
max
Okay,
max of current sum
I'll explain.
max
So
sum is
we'll
equal
solve
to
it. We'll solve and we'll execute also. We'll
Max
save it
of-
as lead code problem number 1343. Sir, everyone
Current
saves your
sum-
previous problem as lead code 643 now. And now save the current problem which we are solving. We'll discuss 1343.
आणि
1343.
रिटर्न डायरेक्ट
So I'll just read out once the problem. We'll take the test.
Maxim.
Look at this
Maxim.
can.
डिवाइड बाय के
हां इथे डिवाइड
आणि ते फॉर लूपच्या बाहेर येणार रिटर्न फॉर लूपच्या बाहेर येणार फंक्शन हे रिटर्न करणार
नंतर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू पण द्यावं लागेल
प्रिंट डायरेक्ट प्रिंट मारायची ना
हे द्यायला की नम काय आहे के काय आहे
आणि ते हे टाकेल ना मग ते होईल ऑटोमॅटिक अरे ते आपण असंच चेक करायला गेलेलं आहे इथे ऑलरेडी ते डिफाईन करायचं
No chalk piece, sir.
एक्झाम्पल
Sir, can anyone please get the chalk piece, sir?
हे टाकावं लागेल
Sir, anyone? Go and get the chalk. So the question is,
अरे पण ते ह्याच्यासाठीच रन होणार ना आपल्याला सगळ्यांसाठी रन करायचं आहे
of size k, which satisfies the
त्याची
condition
गरज नाही डायरेक्ट प्रिंट कर
average is greater than or equals to threshold.
आणि प्रिंटची
Yes,
पण
given
गरज
a
नाही
threshold
एवढं
value,
कसं आहे
you have to find average of every summary of length k.
हां
How many
त्याच्या आतमध्ये
summaries
नाव आणि
satisfy
ते
that condition? You have to give that count. You have to give that count. Okay.
पण
So
त्यांनी
let us see,
एवढंच
sir, what is the
टाकलेलं
array
आहे
given
इथपर्यंतच
and
टाकलेलं आहे
how to solve this, sir. Look at this carefully.
तो 20 को रन कराना है यहाँ पे कैसे होगा
यहाँ पे रन थोड़ी करने हैं रन हो सकता है चेक हो सकता है लेकिन वो साइट मेंटेनेंस पे है
हाँ मेंटेनेंस वगैरह अरे चला जाएगा
हो गया रन है
इधर ना अंदर
क्या कर रहा है वैल्यू देनी पड़ेगी इधर अरे वैल्यू रहेगा ना हाँ ये डाल दोनों कॉपी करना
Okay,
अरे
let's see now.
अरे तो वोट ना है
बाहेर काढ फंक्शनच्या बाहेर अरे क्लास तर काढ क्लास काढून टाक क्लास सेक्शन काढून टाक हां हे सगळ्यांना पाठवून दे
First test case are 2, 2, 2, 4 twos, comma, 5, 5, 5, 8. Okay. 4 twos, 3 fives and 8. K equals to
लिस्ट काढून टाक नुसतं इथे पण नुसतं तेवढंच पास कर जे इथे पास केलं
ये वेग अलग अलग
अरे हे कॉपी कर आणि इथे वर टाक ना
and threshold is 4. Sir, did you
लिस्ट
keep
काढ
calling
लिस्ट
this
काढ
one?
लिस्ट काढून
Or
टाक
call it once?
हां ते पण राहा
Threshold is 4.
माझ्याकडे नम्स ते नॉर्मल इथे ऐसे ना
यहाँ पर इंधन प्रदेश आ जाएगा ये प्रदेश
Solving as conics. Then what to do? We need power for this also.
अरे सेमी को गया
ये कैपिटल का है यस एम के
Otherwise, sir, we did not get it. Take this then. Oh, fine. That is also not free.
यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ये ब्रैकेट का सही है ब्रैकेट में
आएगा बरोबर आहे स्पेस टाइम नाही
For you, okay, Nathan? Without this. We are going to solve another at least 2, 3, 4 problems. So next.
इवन विदाउट तिथं इथे क्या इथे आएगा डायरेक्ट रन होएगा ना
नहीं
Okay.
इधर जो
Okay. Alright. So now let us see. Sir, he has given an array.
X नाही
This is an
नवे
array.
इथे नवे ना
And k equals to 3, threshold is equals to 4. So what he is saying? He is saying that count the number of what's the subarrays of length k. Count the number of subarrays of length
आता
k. Okay, which is satisfying the sum of that subarray is greater than or equals to k. Greater than or equals to k. Just see. Greater than or equals to is there or not? Yes. Average, sir, not sum. Average is greater than or equals to threshold. Threshold. Sum of that's average of subarray of length k. You have to count.
नाही पूर्ण नको कॉपी करू
You have to count number of
रिटर्न पासून कॉपी
the
कर
subarrays
इसलिए नहीं कर ये
of
वो
length
है ना
k
ऑलरेडी क्यों डबल डबल है
whose not sum here, average, whose average is greater than or equals to threshold. Okay. Your threshold given is 4 and k given 3, that means the window size is fixed. So you just tell me what is the difference between our previous problem and current problem. So in our previous problem we are only returning maximum average of subarray of length k. But here what we have to do, sir, here you have to count the number of subarrays whose average is greater than or equals to given threshold. So here you are not interested in returning maximum average. You are interested in getting the count of all subarrays whose average is greater than or equals to threshold. As per the condition, how many subarrays are meeting? All of them you have to count and return that count to value. I hope you understand. So it's very simple now. We follow the same as our earlier situation. What we do? Sir, earlier what we are doing when we are finding maximum sum or maximum average? Very simple, sir. First you are taking window size of k. You are evaluating first window sum of the first k element sum, which you are calling it as current sum. Am I right, sir? Yes. But here, after that what do? You find the what's the average. You find the average. When you find the average, what do, sir? Our current sum divided by number of elements, you get k. Now you check, sir, is that average is greater than or equals to threshold? Suppose if it is satisfying, initialize in the beginning, sir, count is equals to 0. Now make that count by 1 for the first window. From second window onwards, how we are doing inside the for loop, we are doing it. So what we are supposed to do, sir? After evaluating, every window average, check whether that is also greater than what's the threshold. If it is greater than, increase the count. Otherwise, go to the next.
643
That's all. So these are the approach. This is the approach to solve this problem, which is exactly similar to our previous case, but maybe we are putting up an extra condition. Alright, sir? My answer, sir. Everyone is sleeping. Yes. Okay. Right. So that's what. If you learn one pattern, you see how many problems we are solving. Still, we can solve some more problems also, sir. So I'll give you also other problems for your homework, but try to understand how we are solving. So now I'm going to the lead code. 643 we have done. Then I'm going towards 1343. Now in 1343, let us now also. Yes, I already got test case, sir. I also tell you what is the output to be obtained here. Just see everyone. The output to be obtained here is because the site is not working. I just searched here, sir. Output should be 3. First test case, output should be 3. Second test case we see later. First, let us see the first test case. The count is 3. Answer here is 3. Okay. So shall we do it now? After we understand the approach. What is the approach? Tell me. You find the words tell me. Average of the first key elements. Check whether it is greater than or equals to threshold. Then what's saying? Yes, initialize the count initial to 0. Then we can increase it by 1. Now again in the for loop also, for every window you will be evaluating. Tell me, sir. It's average. Okay. How we are evaluating? After finding sum and dividing with key. Okay. Evaluate that. And after evaluating, every time you keep a condition. What is that, sir? If your average is greater than threshold or equals to threshold. If it is satisfying, increase the count, otherwise leave it. So like the entire for loop means all windows are evaluated. Whichever are more than k, the count will be incremented. The remaining will be also tell me, we can ignore. So finally return count. So shall I do this problem in online compiler sum? Or let's say in our Python interpreter? Shall we do it now? Yes. You want online compiler? Online compiler? Okay. And anything is okay. Okay, sir. We'll do it now. Yes, we'll do it. See now.
इधर है सामने लगाना दूर आहे
अरे नाही चालणार त्यांनी माईकचा लावला ना
अरे मग काय बोर्ड इथेच आहे ना कुठलं एक्सटेन्शन बोर्ड इथेच आहे तो काय
माईकला केला लागला लगा सकता
लगा ना
मेरा भी लगा सच में बोल रहा
Right, sir. I'm just opening an online compiler.
चलो अच्छे नहीं कहाँ
So I'm writing. Now let's say I'm writing from line by line, sir. Everyone check it. Define. What is the function name we give, sir? Subarray count. Subarray count. Sub count. What it takes 3 arguments. What is that, sir? Array. Nothing but nums. One is length k. What is what, sir? Threshold. Threshold. Okay. I took threshold, sir. Yes. Then tell me everyone. What I have to do first? Sir, first I have to find some of the first key elements. Alright, sir? Yes. How do you find it? So that what we call here, let's I'm just calling sir here as current sum. Current sum is equals to answer everyone is equals to answer, sir. Sum of what are the elements you have to sum? First k elements. Means colon k. Nums of colon k. So it starts from 0, goes till k minus 1. We already seen that. And we'll get now current sum. Once you get current sum, let us get what's average. Not max here. We don't require max. Only average. Average is equals to current sum. Average is equals to current sum divided by k. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Tell me. Yes. Now you just check it, sir. Now you just check it. Sir, is your average Before that, I'm also initializing a variable called count is equals to 0. Initializing count to 0. Now I'm checking if average
काउंट तो करना रखना
is greater than or equals to threshold. Greater than or equals to threshold. Then what I'm doing? Simply increments count plus equals to 1. Count is equals to count plus 1. Clear, sir? My answer, because I have to verify this for the first sum also, first window also. That's why first window is out of the for loop. So that's why I am testing there also. Now I'll start with our second window onwards. Second window means I've used for loop for. Now tell me everyone. I in range of. What is that, sir? Starting one is k, comma length of. Tell me everyone. But I in range of k, comma length of nums. Exactly. Array. Same logic. Find the current sum. What is current sum? Current sum is equals to
it's to
the previous existing sum plus the new element.
num of
What is new element, sir? Nums of I minus missing element. What is that, sir? Nums of I minus k. We have already seen before. Nums of I minus k. Okay. Then, so now I got what's the second window sum. For second window also I have to find the average. Alright, sir?
yes
Tell me. Yes. So now average is equals to current sum divided by key.
yes
Current sum divided by key. Now keep the condition. The same thing, this condition. If average is greater than or equals to threshold, count is equals to count plus 1. That also you have to evaluate for every window what you are calculating the average. Okay? You have to verify. Sir, is that window average is really greater than, tell me, threshold or not. If it is greater than, you must count it. So that's why I'm just also copying these two statements here. And I'm pasting here. Okay, done. So let us keep this inside that. Okay, now? Right. Over, sir. That's all about my for loop. Now come out of the for loop. Yes, return. What I have to return, tell me everyone? Count. Very simple problem. Even though it is a medium, we feel it is very simple. Since we know sliding window pattern, our answer? My answer, yes. Yes, sir. So shall we go to now driving code and shall we test if the test case given? Answer?
yes
Yes. Let's now come here. Now I am just coming, sir. To the driving, what's sir? A code. I am defining our array nums equals to, but tell me that 4 twos, na? 4 twos.
4 2 3
3
5
fives.
8
8. Okay. This is our nums. What is k? 3. What is threshold?
4
What is threshold, sir?
4
4. 4 or 3?
4
Threshold is 4. Okay. Done. Now let us call the method. Let us call the method inside the print statement. Print of. Say it everyone. Sir, everyone, please. Now from where? Okay. What is this? Search out the method name and copying this as it is. Till this. Control C. Now let us come back. Inside the print statement, paste it. Over. I'm just calling the function and passing the parameters nums, key and threshold. Okay? Shall we run it now?
yes
That's all, sir. Very simple code. I hope you understand. Okay, no? Right. Shall we run it now, everyone? Yes. Okay. Most of them are sleeping. Backbenches. Yes, sir. We got answer 3. Look at everyone. Without error, single error. Because we already got written this code already before for 2 times. Yes, sir. I hope you understand, everyone. The answer is 3. The first test case is successfully passed. Now let us verify the second test case, sir. The second test case here is. The second test case is 4 5, sir. K is equals to 2, threshold is 4. 4 5s. Just remove all this. So this answer we got 3 correct. 4 5s and that's all 4 5s I am taking. Then K equals to 2 here. The window size is 2, threshold is still 4. Threshold is still 4. So can we run it sir now?
Yes.
Answer yes. So the expected answer is, one second sir. The expected answer is 3. Here also we get count is 3. Now let us run it. Yes, we got 3. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Both the test cases have been passed. Yes sir. We can now submit this problem as it is into the lead code. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, is it working? Can anyone test it sir? Does the site is working in code? Or still under maintenance? Working? So can we submit now? Can we submit sir? Yes, I am just pasting now. I am just copying this first here. From here current sum. Okay no? Do not copy the function name because function is already defined. Just copy this. Till written. The driving code is not required till written. Control C.
समझ यहाँ पे 2 2
I am just copying.
वो ऐड
Now let us enter this and see whether it is working or not.
6 वही किया उसने फिर वापस तुझे ये करना
Okay,
होगा।
ma'am.
आगे
So what are the companies if you want to see sir? What the question is asking is on the company list you will be getting here. You can see that.
अभी समझते
Okay, so here I am just pasting now.
छोड़ के दूसरा दिन लिया
Control V.
उन सबका तुझे एडिशन
Yes sir. I just pasted that code as it is.
3
Okay now. Clear everyone?
तुझे लूप लगाना
Sir, please answer.
normally किया है।
Yes.
ये लिखेगा ना तू
I am just now running. Let's see.
तू कितने
I'm
बार
just running, sir.
वही ले रहा है ना
Are indentation expected after function definition of line
वापस से आगे
60.
वाला लेगा ना
Where is line 60?
दो
I
नंबर
don't know.
तू
We're
कर
getting different
ले
kinds of
रहा है और
errors.
एक नंबर एक्स्ट्रा ऐड हो रहा है
The same thing was
तू
passed
कर रहा है
there. Let us say anyway line number 3 and come on. Indentation. I have set just now I set it now. Line number 3. So from where we begin? From def only we should begin or I don't know. Can we just make it or otherwise little inside and see everything? Okay, everything are moving sir. Indentation error we are getting. Let's see now. Okay. It must be inside the depth. Yes, sir. I think we have started at D11. That's why we got error. Correct. At least one space you have to give it. Yes, sir. Here also. Shall we run now? Shall we run it, sir? Yes. Let's see. One nums is not defined. What he mentioned? Didn't he mention nums? Array. Okay, let us make it nums. Here only I am changing in the function. Let us make it nums. Let us say children K threshold. Yes, both are mentioned. Now run it. Come on, because we use the name as nums in place of array. Let us change the function nums. Yes, it is passed. Now see everyone. All the test cases have been passed. See that. Case 1, case 2. I hope you understand.
डायरेक्ट लॉगिन कैसे
I hope you understand. So can we submit? Yes.
साइन इन कैसे ऑप्शन
Yes.
इधर साइन अप पहले लगा भाई इधर रजिस्टर होता है
Both the test cases have been passed.
तू रजिस्टर है ना हमें तो डायरेक्ट लॉगिन कर
Yes, sir. Yes, you successfully submitted. You got percentage 53.76. But still, there is a possibility to optimize your code. Doesn't matter. Will follow like this. Forget about percentage. If it is submitted, that's all. It's accepted. It's enough. Getting my point? I hope you understand. Yes. Sometimes you get 100%. Sometimes you get 90. Sometimes you get 60. Doesn't matter. It is fully optimized. It is towards 100. But not a problem we don't. We actually look for the output, not to every time optimize in terms of space and all. Okay, na? Right. If it is accepting means it's optimized only. But there are 50% of the people who have even written code, what's the tell me, which will run in less time than what we did. Ours is 50 milliseconds. Maybe some people have done less than that. 50% of the people have done less than that. Still 50% of people are more than us. Okay, we are in middle. I hope you understand. Okay, anything, forget about the person. Okay, if it is submitted, it is done. I hope you understand, sir. I hope you understand. Similarly, can we submit problem number 643 also? You want me to move down? Okay, I'll move down. So look at this code, sir. This is the code we submitted just now. Whatever we discussed, the same thing is submitted. From current.
Now talk.
And last one written statement is missing. That's all. This is simple lead code platform. You can understand, sir. I hope everyone. We have solved our major problem. Clear, everyone? Answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So will you similarly submit 643 also? Will you similarly submit 643 also? No, we did now just before 643. Because it's working now, we can submit. Madam? So this is not the students also went up. Right, now let's see. Come on, everyone. So we have submitted. Now similarly, can you do it everyone 643 quickly? I told you to save that code now. You might have saved, just copy that and open the problem number 643 and submit. That also you can finish it off now. Okay?
Such questions, sir.
Shall I do 643 also? Can we complete? Yes, you can do it, sir. Please complete it.
लीला है तो ऑलरेडी लीला है ये काढून द्या बघ ये सबमिट अरे
See how many test cases we have passed? 69. Left side top. 69 by 69 test cases are passed. All test cases are passed. So this program is tested for 69 inputs. And all of them you have got correct output. So that's why it is submitted. Okay? 643 also similarly you submit every month. Or if you want to do it, I will do now itself. Quickly. It's easy level problem, I think. Yes, maximum average is a very easy problem. Oh, we already written now? Yes, it's there, sir. You can submit. First run it. Let us test for errors. I think we were getting errors before now. Any indentation problem? Now, yes, it's okay, sir. It will work. Let us run and see now. Yes, sir. Past 2 test cases have been passed. 643. Before we copied now, when we are submitting, I think the site has gone. It is under maintenance. So it's just still there. Code still it is there as it is. So I'm just returning. Same as our first program. Just at the end, instead of returning maximum, return average. Maximum divided by key. That is the maximum average. Maximum average you will get when you get maximum sum. Length is always same. So that's why whenever sum is more, average will be more. So we are returning maximum divided by key. That's all. Both the test cases have been passed. Can I submit? Can I submit? Yes, I'm doing. Done, sir. We got 96% in now. Okay. So in 43 milliseconds, our program was executed. Okay? I hope you understand. I hope now everyone got complete idea over sliding window pattern with fixed size. So can I give you now homework problems? Shall we go to another pattern? Yes, take the problems. Take the problems.
Print statement नको अगर सब मिले क्यों प्रिंट करना
Take the problems.
हो गया देख एक्यूरेसी है हमारी 1 3
Problem number 219. Duplicates 2. Problem number 219. Problem number 1052. Problem number 1052. Okay, sir. These are enough. Okay, no? Right. Sir, I am only saying all the arrays problems which are exactly based on the concepts what we discussed. There are some array problems based on stack, but I am not saying them. Maybe based on sliding window plus stack. That we'll see when it comes to stack. Okay, no? Right. So they are purely based on the concepts what we know. Other than stack, we don't know what is the stack pattern and all. So that's why I am not seeing that problems. Okay. Right, sir. This is about our sliding window with what, sir? Fixed size. So 3 problems we have solved. 3 problems are given homework for you. Am I right, everyone? Yes. So now let us try to solve the another pattern. Now let us go on to another pattern. Let's take sliding window only, but not fixed size. It is variable size. So sliding window with variable size, which is also called two-pointer technique, which is also called two-pointer technique. Okay. So now let us discuss that, sir.
आता फॉर लूप लागणार आहे. हा पहिल्या एलिमेंटसाठी होता, बाहेर येणार फॉर लूप.
Sliding window with variable size or two-pointer technique.
डेफिनेशनच्या आत के अंदर वो कोड है ना, कंप्यूटर है ना.
Right. Let's see now. Let us see, sir.
नहीं खुद कोड नहीं करते हैं. ऐसे मालूम चला ये फॉर इसके अंदर चलाना है बस. अरे वो तो क्वेश्चन के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. क्वेश्चन में कैसे चाहिए वैसे, फिर उसके हिसाब से तुझे फॉर चेंज करना पड़ेगा. अरे तू डेफिनेशन जब हायर ली तो आज ली जाए.
Everyone has to listen. I want to see everyone towards the screen. Everyone, sir, look at me. Look at the screen. Just try to understand.
आता बरोबर आहे. काय होते तर तुझं माहिती आहे, तुझं काउंटच्या खालीच येतो.
With variable size. Sliding window.
थ्रेशोल्ड नाही, बस इष्टू
With variable size.
हां. आता ते टाक ना काउंटवाला, तो वाला कोड टाक. काउंटवाला तुला हां करंट
Okay. Sliding window with variable size. This is nothing but it is also called two-pointer technique. Two-pointer pattern or two-pointer technique.
नहीं माइनस
Two-pointer technique or two-pointer pattern. Anything you can say. Okay. Right. Now let's see. Sir, what kind of problems we can solve on the two-pointer? Okay. And how can you see that here the pattern is, what's the window size is variable? Why it is not fixed? What kind of problems we can solve on this? Okay. So let us consider an example. So first I'll give you the problem statement first.
I minus k ना.
हाँ I equal to k
माइनस के बरोबर.
हाँ आता मध्ये ॲव्हरेज ही लाईनच कॉपी पेस्ट आता मैं इफ टाके इफ वाले 2 लाइन टाके स्टार्टिंग स्पेस
Okay, sir. Come on, listen, everyone. The question is like this, sir. Find the smallest sub-array
return count for
or find the minimum.
For
Let's find the length of the words
return करना
smallest sub-array whose sum is greater than or equals to k.
फॉरचा खाली आहे ना
Find The minimum length of the subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to key. That also okay. Or find, tell me sir, the smallest subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to key. So either you can return, tell me everyone, length, or you can return subarray. Anything is okay, sir. First we will see about length, and then after that we will see how to return what's a subarray. Okay? Right. Come on, listen everyone. What is the question? Find the smallest subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to k. What does it mean? Smallest subarray means, sir? Sir, if you take what is the minimum subarray length you can have it, which is satisfying sum is greater than or equals to k. There may be multiple subarrays can satisfy that condition, but we don't want that count. We want out of the subarray, sir, whichever is having minimum length, that subarray we want to return, or that length we want to return. Are you getting my point? So, find the smallest subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to k, or find the minimum length of the subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to k. Both are same. Anything is okay. Find minimum length of the subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to k, or find the smallest subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to k. Even we can solve other kinds of problems also, sir. First try to understand this. Okay now? Clear everyone? Tell me yes. Just everyone type that in lead code and tell me test case or the same test case will take it. Smallest subarray. Just type in lead code problem search. Smallest subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to k. Tell me the problem number and tell me the test case. Problem number is the test case.
Smallest subarray.
That only we'll take and we'll discuss. Must 7. Server error. So I'll take here otherwise. I'll look for it. Just now we have submitted 2 problems.
ये तो समझा तो काउंट एक बड़ा होगा तो अब यही वापस लूप लगाने और रेंज में स्टार्ट की रचना के और खत्म होगा लेंथ ऑफ करंट सब वापस अभी सम निकालेंगे करंट सब
But LC209, open everyone LC209. It's working, tell me the test case. That's only enough. Minimum size subarray sum.
209.
Come on, LC209. Lead code. Proper number 209. LC means lead code. Come on, 209. Don't type LC. 209. Tell me. Did you get it? Same na? Same problem na? Give me the test case. Give me the test case, ma'am. Tell me.
231 243
231
243
243. Right. What is the sum given? What is the sum given?
7
Huh?
7
7. Okay, sir. Well, listen, everyone. So, the test case given here is also an array is given. An array is given. And a sum is given. Now we have to find, so what is the smallest subarray length, or what is the smallest subarray length here, whose sum is greater than or equals to, greater than mentioned or equals to?
greater than or equal to
Both, greater than or equals to 7. Okay, done, sir. Now listen everyone. So how to solve this problem? So this is comes under what's a sliding window with variable size, or a 2-pointed technique. How do we proceed? We proceed like this, sir. Everyone, listen carefully. Come on, just listen, sir. So, sir, first I start with my first pointer I, my second pointer I. Both I will what's a tell me? Start at the first element. This is one way. The another way, sometimes you can start one pointer at first, one pointer at end. Okay, that way also it will work. I'll show you both the ways. First, try to understand. Okay, anything you can use it, sir. Right. Now let us see. So the first point is starting at 2, and second point is also starting at 2. You just answer everyone. So it's only that element. So what is our sum, sir? Sum of these two elements is 2 itself. Only one element here. The sum of that array is how much is the rate? Tell me 2. What is the length here? What is the length here? It's one. Only one element here. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yes. So sum is 2. Still it is less than our required sum. What is the required sum? 7. So let us keep the first pointer I there only. Extend the second pointer. That means now I am moving J to this place. So now I have a summary of length 2. Am I right, everyone? Yes. What is that? 2, 3. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Yes. 2, 3. Yes. 2 plus 3. How much are 5? Still it is less than 2. Because still it is less than our target or 7. So still it is less than 7. So what you are doing, as long as your window sum is less than 7, you keep on increasing the right pointer so that the size of the window is getting increased. Am I right, sir? Yes. Initially we have 1, the next we have 2. Now I'm further extending. Let's say now I'm moving J to the next element. Okay, I am keeping at the beginning only, but J I am keeping also tell me here. J I am keeping also tell me. I'm just incrementing like that. Okay. So initially I have a sub array of size 1. Since its sum is not satisfying our condition, I am extending my window size. Then J I am moving to the 2 elements. Still my sum is not more than tell me 7. So I am extending further the third element. Then what is happening tell me? Now 2 plus 3 plus 1. How much it is becoming, sir? 6. Still it is not satisfying. Am I right, everyone? Yes. Come on, listen everyone. Yes. Still it is not satisfying. Then what we'll do? Again you increase further. Again you increase further. 6 plus 2. How much, sir? 8. 6 plus 2. How much, sir? 8. You got 8, which is satisfying our condition. Alright, sir? Tell me, yes. So, which is satisfying our condition. You need not record that length. Forget about it. So, whenever it is satisfying condition, because you are trying to return minimum length, now try to shrink the window size using the first pointer. You are expanding the window size using second pointer. Now try to shrink the window size using first pointer. Because second pointer we cannot move back. Are you understand? But the first pointer we can move. Tell me right side. So that the window size gets now reduced. Are you getting my point? I hope you understand. Yes. Yes. So what I am doing here, I am shifting it to 3 now. When I am shifting it to 3, now I is at 3, J is at 2. So how much is the answer, sir? 3 plus 1. 4 plus 2, 6. It's now going below. Am I right, everyone? Yes. Again the condition is not satisfied. Now we further expand. When you want to expand, what do? You move this further to the 4. You move this further to the 4. Now tell me, everyone, sir. Now tell me, what is your length? What is your sum? I is at 3, J is at 4. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4.
10.
What is happening now? 10. It's again satisfying my condition. I hope you understand. Yes. Then again I am moving towards the tell me I further. Because I am shrinking. Because my condition is satisfied, I am shrinking. So from 3 where I am going now? 1. Still my sum is 8. It's more than 7. Again shrink it. Is it 8 or 9 I think? 10 minus 1, 9 na? Yes, 9. Again you shrink it. It's becoming 7. Again satisfying the condition. So as of now we got 2 situations where the condition is satisfied. Alright, sir? Yes. So what you do, whenever condition is satisfied, sir, you extract that length and initially you assume so minimum length is some value, which is maximum value, and you compare that current length with our already existing minimum length and update. Are you getting my point? Whenever condition is satisfied, because you have to find minimum length. So now I got second situation where the condition is satisfied. When I observe the first situation, what is my length? When I observe the second satisfaction, what is my length? I have to pick up the minimum of those two. Am I right, sir? Yes. That means whenever the condition is satisfied, try to obtain what's a minimum length. Pick up the minimum length out of already available lengths. Clear everyone? Clear everyone, sir? I hope you understand. Yes. So repeat this process until the last element, sir. So always you will be having tell me the minimum length and finally you return that minimum length. You can see sometimes my window size is 2 elements, sometimes my window size is 4 elements, sometimes my window size is 3 elements, sometimes it is 5 elements. So this is called two-pointer technique. Yes. This is called two-pointer technique. Am I right, everyone? Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's very, very interesting, sir. Okay? Right. That means what you're doing, initially you're starting 2 pointers at one place, finding the length of that element. Then what you're doing, sir, everyone, simply you're extending your J. Moving second pointer, right side. As long as the condition is not satisfied. Once the condition means you're expanding the window size when the condition is not satisfied. But when the condition is satisfied, you're shrinking the window from the first point. Okay, na? I said this is my window size initially for the first element. Okay? Look at this. When once the condition is not satisfied, go to next. Not satisfied, go to next. Not satisfied, go to next. Satisfied. Shrink. Satisfied. Shrink. So this process will be continuous. Okay? So whenever it is not, as long as it is satisfied, try to extract every time the minimum length. Okay now? Getting my point, everyone? So before we took what's actually a window of fixed size. Now the window size is getting what's a vary. Window size is getting what's a vary. Yes. So shall we do that problem now? I hope you understand, everyone. Okay, na? Right. So let's see. Well, this is one approach. I told you another approach also possible. What is that, sir? You start first pointer at starting, ending pointer at ending. First find the sum of all elements. Definitely it is more than our target. Mostly. Then what do you do? Shrink. How do you shrink it now? Shrink from the last point. Shrink from the last point. Not from the first point. Shrink from the last. Come down. Again find the sum and verify. Satisfied. Come down. Satisfied. Come down means come before. Listen now. I'll show you that. So initially this is my first element, this is my last element. I pointer, J pointer. I got some sum. Entire array sum. Definitely maybe greater than what's our target. Then shrink from the right side. Okay? Again you verify. Sum is greater than 7. Again you okay, then? I hope I understand. Every time find the length and extract the minimum. Whenever condition fails, only this place only. This keep moving up, right? I don't mind anything. Or else, sir, I don't want to do from the right side, I want to do from the left side. But you cannot do that. Okay, no? That's it. So the best approach is the first one only. What we said is the best approach. Okay? Shall we take the problem now? My answer? Yes, I hope you understand.
अभी इसके अंदर भाई का ये सब प्रोजेक्ट है उसका प्रेजेंटेशन ही है पहले बोलना चाहिए जल्दी ठीक है मैं भेजता हूँ वीडियो भेजता हूँ कट करके भेजता हूँ
व्हाट्सएप पर मेल हो जाएगा आता बघ ना आपण के वरती डिफाईन केले त्याचं टार्गेट आहे आणि डिफाईन केलेलं आहे इंटिजर एक नंबर आहे आता के आपण आय आणि के काय कसं लिहितो म्हणजे इथे आपण करंट नंबरचा सम कसा डिसाईड
नाम येणार ना
What is the problem number 2099?
लेन ऑफ नंबर
The problem number
के
209.
के ते आहेच ना डिफाईन
Minimum size, I already discussed with some other college where that's been submitted, but we'll do in front of your line course. Don't worry, I'll do it. Okay? It's a medium level problem. Just read everyone. given an array of positive integer nums
length of numbers ఏనా
and a positive integer target, return the minimal length of a subarray, return the minimal length of a subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to target. That's what we are trying to do. We are trying to return what is the smallest subarray whose sum is greater than or equals to target. Okay? So if there is no such subarray, return 0 instead. Okay.
प्रोजेक्टर पे लगा सब फोर आ रहा
Look at the first one. Target 7, num 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just look at that, sir. I think 4, 3 is the subarray whose sum is 7. That's the length is 2. The remaining length is more. Okay, no? Can we do it now, everyone? Answer. Yes, shall I directly write the code here? Okay. Yes, sir. I am typing now. Everyone see. So first what we'll take? Sir, first we compute. First we initialize our pointer I and j to the 0. Correct, sir? Answer yes. I equals to 0, comma, j equals to 0. J equals to 0. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Okay? Right. So now I'm finding.
नंबर ఎంత जाणार नम मध्ये
I'm finding
नम आपला
subarray sum. Let's say current sum. Anything. Subarray sum or current sum or whatever. Let's say subarray sum I'm calling. Subarray sum equals to. It's not of k length here. We should start from the length 1 first. Am I right, sir? Yes. Okay? Yes. So can we directly start with the for loop instead of again doing individually, sir? Start with the for loop directly because first sum, find the first subarray sum. Check whether greater than or equals to k. If it is not greater than or equals to k, expand. If it is greater than or equals to k, shrink and find that size. Am I right, everyone? Tell me yes. So what I am doing, better sir, I'll take here, let's say mean size is equals to, initially we take maximum value. How do we take maximum value of Python, sir? Float of infinite. This is the way we can write, sir, maximum value for what, sir? So initially I am assuming that my mean size is maximum. Why? Because I want to compare that with the current size, then whichever is minimum I pick up. So initially I should assume something, opposite I am assuming. Are you getting? Are you getting? Yes, you can take 0 also, sir, but that's the minimum now. Always you get 0. Okay? Yes, that's why I am taking my, okay, maximum and comparing that with the current size, whichever is minimum I am picking up that. So that's why I am storing maximum. Okay. Now for
mean size का दिला
okay.
मैक्स साइज
Let us take sir I equals to 0. Then for I in the range of J, not I, J. For J in range of, what is that, sir? Shall we take J also from 0? If we take 0, then what happens while computing what's the sum? So what you will see, I colon J, I is 0, 0 is 0. So the ending is also 0. But when you're finding sum, it will take length as 0 minus 1, it will give empty set. So you must take that care while getting the sum. Or else, sir, why are you taking both the pointers from first? Let us take J pointer from 1. But you'll be only finding length of the one element. Means you'll write what's the sum of array of J. J means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. It only takes that element. That also okay. Anything is okay. You can write in any way. Okay, now, so I'm just writing now. Let us. J equals to in range of I plus 1. Next element, comma, length of nums only, no? Yeah, nums. Then here, now find your summary sum. My summary sum equals to, what is the formula, everyone tell me? Sum of, just formula, simple formula. What is that, sir? Sum of nums of, tell me, I colon G. Am I right, everyone? Am I right, everyone? Tell me, yes, nums of I colon J means what, sir? It's summary of length. How much, sir, here? I is 0, J is 1. It only takes, tell me, 0. Only one element. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Yes. So, I got my summary sum. Now what I have to verify? If my summary sum is greater than or equals to target, then what I will do? I'll increase my I. Okay? I hope you understand. Okay, now? But before that, I'll extract that length of that array. How many elements I have, because it's satisfying it. I compare that with the minimum length. Then I increase our I. I'll go to the next one. I'll shrink E. Am I right, everyone? Yes. You do not shrink first. If you shrink first, sir, the length will be wrong again. Am I right, sir? Because the current length it is satisfying. Identify current length. Compare that with the minimum length. Update the minimum. Then shrink. Are you getting my point? Are you getting that point, sir? Yes. So, what I'm writing here, tell me. First, if sub-array sum is greater than or equals to target, if sub-array sum is greater than or equals to target, what we are doing? Very simple, sir. We are first finding length of that array, updating the minimum, we are comparing that with the previous and current length, which one is minimum, updated, then shrink the window. But again do the same process. If it is not satisfied, expand the window. That's all. Very simple. I hope you understand. Okay? Right. So, first export, so getting the current length. Can you tell me what is current length? Our J minus I plus 1. Alright, sir. End pointer minus beginning pointer plus 1 will give us length because they are index values. Are you getting my point? How do you get length of the summary when condition is satisfied? Let us say my I pointer is at 0 index, my J pointer is at 2 index. What is the length? Will you say 2 minus 0, 2? No, it's actually 3 elements, no? 2 plus 1. So that's why I am writing length is equals to J minus I plus 1. J minus I plus 1. Find that length. Now, mean length. I'm just calling what, sir? Mean size. Mean size is equals to minimum of length comma mean size. I hope you understand. Initially you assume that your length of the array is minimum length is infinite, but now that infinite length you are comparing with the current length, whichever is minimum that you are picking up. I hope you understand. So this is a situation where you are updating the minimum length. That's why you took initially maximum. So that maximum you compared with tell me our current length. Definitely that is infinite. This is what you tell me some integer. So definitely it is what, sir? Some value. It is some definitely less than. So we will be getting what, sir? Tell me everyone. Minimum gets updated to min size. I hope you understand. Okay, right. So now, sir, I just found that minimum length updation. Then after that, shrink the window. How do you shrink the window? I equals to I plus 1. Increase the I count. Sir, if this is not satisfied, then what you will do? You will come out of this if block. Come on, everyone. Tell me yes. So if this is not satisfied, sir, let us keep else block. Then what we do? The condition is not satisfied. Expand the window. J equals to J plus 1. That's all. That's all. Expand. If condition is not satisfied, expand and find the sum again. Expand and find the sum again. As long as the condition is satisfied. I hope you understand. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Over. The logic is over. Now come out of this for loop. Come to the level of for loop. What we have to written? Mean size we have to written. I hope you understand. Because the minimum length where it is stored, sir? In mean size. So written mean size. Written mean size. If you want to really observe this code, we'll observe in our normal one. If any errors we are getting, we'll check it, then we'll modify and then also we'll submit it. Okay, as of now, let it be here. I'm not running here. Let us go to online compiler, paste it, give the driving code. Let us see what is output. We'll verify all test cases, then we'll submit here. Okay, now? Fine. So I'm just copying now from the beginning.
Alien is equal to
Control C. We come to the online compiler. So this before we have this is the problem already submitted before. So let us now change it. I'm pasting this, sir. Now let us change the function name. I think here we have nums. K is not given. Threshold let it be target. Threshold let it be target. Okay, no? But we have written target now. Let us make it a target. Maps and target both are taking. Here you write mean size, mean sub array, mean sub otherwise, mean sub. Okay, na? Done. My last page, friends. Marker. You should not talk, sir. You should not talk. Just see, that's all. Okay, now just come to the nums here. But can you just tell me what the test case given? First test case. Otherwise we'll copy. This is given 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3. Just copy. 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay, I'm just pasting, sir. Now there is no key here. Then let's remove. Come to the target. Come to the target. What is target, sir?
7.
What is target? 7. Okay. Here we write main sub. Function name is main sub. Then come to the nums and then what's will be? Target. Okay, it's target. I'm just changing it to target. Okay. Yes, sir. Over. Shall we run it now?
Yes.
Shall we run it, sir? Yes. Before we submit it to lead code platform, first let us run and verify all the test cases. If any problem, we'll quantify it. Okay, no? Right. So let us run now. Well, there is indentation error in line number 4. Okay. Just come up. Yes, sir. Yes. Otherwise, everything we have to shift back. Let us make it this means better. All are the same line. Cannot access local variable length where array. Sir, length is a keyword now. We are writing it as LEN. Let us just change it. Line number 5 and 18. Length of nums and 18 is. Yes. It's not length, so just add LENGTH. Use the full name. Because length is a keyword, na? LENGTH. It cannot be a variable. You have written it as a variable. Okay, na? Okay, now run. Got 5. Is the answer 5? 2, na? 2. The answer should be 2, no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes. That means somewhere there is a becoming problem. Somewhere you are getting problems, sir. The answer is 2. The length is 2, not the words of 5. So somewhere it's not updating, it's not going till end. Because last place we have 4 and 3, alright sir? Yes. So how do you keep track of it, sir? How do you keep track of it? Very simple, sir. You just print your main size in every iteration. Print main size in every iteration. Print main size. So that print main size, print length also will see, shall we see both? Because length whether we are getting till 2 or not, we can observe it, sir. So what I'll do better is print length also. So in every iteration it will give us 2 values. Print length also. What we do is here, just written, but do not call this inside the print statement because you'll have a confusion. There are 3 numbers printing. One is length, one is what's main size, one is your answer. Okay, so better remove this print because I don't want to see final result. First, only the iteration results I want to see. Now let us run and see so that we can track it. Now where is the problem? Always 5, 5, 5, 5. So now let us see, sir, what is the problem with this? Come on. Okay, can we do this also otherwise first? Print sum also. Whether you are getting correct or not will verify. First we got 2. Is that correct, sir? Summary sum is 2. Correct only now? Tell me, as per the test case, you see. Test case, yes, 2. Then condition is not satisfied. Okay. Then again, next iteration, sir. Incrementing j. So summary sum is 2 plus 3, 5. Yes, we got correct. Then what, sir? Again incrementing j. So 2, 3, 1 now it becomes 6. Yes, again we are incrementing. Again, it's not satisfied. So 2, 3, 1, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Now the condition is satisfied. Am I right, sir? Tell me. Yes, that's why your length is becoming now what, sir? Okay. Sum is 8, but what is the length is becoming here? J minus I plus 1. 2, 3, 1, 2. J is becoming at what index, sir, now? J, yes, this is the problem, sir. J in range of, okay. I think J also we started with the same index, na, sir, initially? Am I right, sir? Yes, but here to get that subarray, I have written like I plus 1. So what we do here otherwise? Okay, so I'll do one thing, sir. Because of this J, length is becoming more. Now let us see here, plus 1. I'll write like this, sir. Now let's see. Yes, now it is valid. 2, 5, 6, then summary sum is 8. Then length is becoming what, sir? 4. Is that correct? Length is 4? Yes, correct only, no? When you are getting sum of 8, what is your length, sir? See everyone. Length is 2, 3, 1, 2. 4 elements. Correct. Correct you are getting. Okay. Then what is happening? Length is becoming 4. Okay. Then minimum is becoming 4. You are printing in. Okay. Then you are increasing what's the I pointer. So I you are reducing. When I you are increasing its now what is happening? I is moved to now 1. As long as the I is at beginning only, I is moved to 1. That means sum becomes now 8 minus 2, 6. We got 10 here. Sum should become 6 now, you know? Tell me. Yes. So somewhere it is becoming problem in evaluating sums. That's the reason you are not getting correct answer. Actually, when you increment your I, you are removing 2. When you are removing 2, and when you are at currently J, and what is your summary sum becomes, I becomes now 2, J remains as J. So that means what you should get actually, 8 minus 2 is 6 you should get, but you got 10 there. Understand? Here. This is third iteration, sir. No, maybe after fourth iteration. Here you should get 6 actually. You are getting what, sir? 10. That's why it's not passing, sir. So there is a something problem with your sum. How can you further write that sum? You tell. You have to get it correct. Can anyone? Our idea is absolutely right, no doubt. But when you are implementing it, sir, in the form of telling, finding the subarray of length, that is becoming a problem. Sir, if you want to use the for loop inside that, you can use it, not a problem. Shall we use for loop initially to evaluate it, sir? Simply? Okay. I am using for loop. Now let's see. Okay, here I use it. For let's say I in the range of just right what's the length of nums for somewhere one subarray is missing, that's the reason you are not getting it. J in the range of J in range of in nested for loop it becomes not a problem. We continue. Then how can we sliding window with the variable side? Okay, let us see first. For J in range of, what we take, sir, to get the summaries? First you should get 1. Then tell me everyone, sir. 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, otherwise, as long as it's satisfied, it should expand. Otherwise, it should shrink. So I think we should write it as only J should increase. J should increase. For J in range of I plus 1, let us take it. Comma. Here let us take, sir, here length of nums. I'm taking, let's say, minus 1. Getting length of nums. Okay, now let's see. So, subarray sum equals to manually nums of I plus don't write like this. Write like this. Subarray sum plus nums of I colon J. Okay, no? What is that, sir? Initially subarray sum I take it as 0. Initially subarray sum I take it as 0. Subarray sum. Okay. Okay, now? Otherwise we will analyze that by using software. We will analyze step by step. Then we will understand it. So let us check with this case. Let us check with this case. Okay. Yes. Expected colon where? Here. Okay. So.
वो कैश आउट करना है वैसे भी 100 लगा वो कैश आउट ही करना है वो एकदम प्रॉपर टाइम पे तो भूल जाते ये कैश आउट की अच्छा है कैश आउट में फुटबॉल में कैसे होता है फुटबॉल में कैश आउट ना अरे तो वो होगा अभी ऐसा लगा थोड़ा
Okay, then else should be also inside it.
बाउंड्री तो मारेगा बाउंड्री तो मारेगा
Yes.
पर वो बाउंड्री नहीं करते
Okay. Return and for both should be same line. No. No. Which word it is? Out of both of us. Yes, same way. Yeah. No, let's run now. Unsupported operand types for plus 8 and list. Where line number 8. Okay, sir. Sum of, sir. Sorry. Find sum of nums of ij. No? So let us run now. Sir, we got to see everyone answer. Getting 2. Finally, length is getting 2. See everyone. Got it, sir? I hope you understand. See, I'm printing mid length. Finally, that is 2. You can see everyone. It's working now. Shall I show you now? Shall we remove that printing and see? Shall we see it, sir?
Sir, break.
Somewhere we are getting 43. That many elements we have. Somewhere is some, but answer is getting 2 to 2.
Sir, break.
You want to break? Okay, take it, sir. 5 minutes. Use the 5 minutes of it.